When I go out, I can have the app on my phone. I can see what's going on.
Leonard Witchard has lived in his row home nearly 50 years. Tuesday, he received the last free Ring doorbell offered through his neighborhood association, thanks to a Maryland Department of Housing and Community Development $100,000 grant.
I think it's the initiative of the community association that then connected with the state government to say, hey, we would be a perfect candidate for something just like this.
Now row homes across this area are equipped with these Ring doorbells that can paint a picture of incidents happening outside their homes, capturing any crimes. The Coldstream Homestead Montebello neighborhood started the process 1 year ago. Now 270 Ring doorbell cameras are up across the area. Senator Cory McCray, a journeyman electrician by trade, installed Witchard's doorbell himself. They went out for free to anyone interested, and the video each camera captures is theirs to choose whether it is shared. The hope is when crime strikes, the video will be shared with police.
Who encouraged us from the beginning to take advantage of this Ring camera. As they have told us time and time again, having this technology in the neighborhood definitely helps to improve public safety.
A local electrician who runs Mustang Electric has been spearheading the installation, taking the time to show neighbors how to effectively use the new tech.
When you're talking about, us installing over 250 cameras and 70% of them being seniors, we was just trying to eliminate that so that way, they can get the proper security they needed with minimum maintenance.
Already, another grant will soon fund the install of lights and cameras in vacant lots to prevent illegal dumping here. In Northeast Baltimore, I'm Tommy Clark, WBALTV 11 News.